We've all had the same genius idea. You zip a massive file and it gets smaller. So why not just zip the zip and then zip that zip? Theoretically, you could fit the entire history of the internet onto a floppy disk and finally be environmentally friendly with your storage. It sounds like a cheat code for the universe, but unfortunately, the laws of mathematics are a lot stricter than your high school principal. To understand why this fails, you have to understand how lossless compression actually works. It's essentially a game of find the shortcut. Imagine a file contains a sentence that repeats the word data 50 times. Instead of writing the word data out every single time, the algorithm just writes 50 data and creates a tiny digital map to rebuild it later. It's taking the predictable, repetitive patterns and substituting them with shorter nicknames. It finds every bit of clutter and packs it into the smallest possible box. But once that box is packed, the patterns are gone. When you try to compress a zipped file a second time, the algorithm looks inside and sees a chaotic mess of random-looking data with no repetitions left to exploit. You can't simplify something that's already been stripped down to its bare essentials. It's like trying to dehydrate a rock. There's just no water left to take out.